Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
His intention is, now, once he checks me out from Goa, then I will not pursue the application in the Supreme Court. The interlocutory application become infructuous. The CBI cannot catch him. The CBI cannot catch him for the money he swindled out of the Prime Minister's care fund. 55 crore rupees was allotted to the corona patient management, which he swindled. He swindled all the money. Not a penny is available for the corona patient today. Patients are dying like flies in Goa, and he is enjoying the money of the Prime Minister's care fund. I have asked for a CBI inquiry in the Supreme Court against the scandals. Instead of filing a reply in the Supreme Court, when it was listed in front of the Chief Justice, the Goa senior advocate requested time to file the reply. In this 18 years, not a single person has died inside the dialysis unit. How can you say my contract is terminated? Matter is pending in the Supreme Court. You have to wait for the Supreme Court to give a judgment.
भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे म्हणता व्हेंटिलेटर घेतल्या ते बेस्ट तो खंय असल्या मनशांक लागी धरिना.
Question, I don't want to even take his name, who made that video and made it viral. I would like to only assure everybody that all the ventilators purchased by us are being vetted. It was bought that time through the collectors and other people, and it is the best one which was available at that point of time. When the first wave came and there was a lockdown, there was no availability of ventilator. What we have got is Philips ventilator, which was imported from the United States, and we are being used. All 200 ventilators are in use. They are user friendly, and all the doctors are happy with the performance because any medical officer, anybody can use it. And what allegations are being made, because that person was thrown out from the old auspicious through Supreme Court order because he became like a permanent tenant of the government. As a result, he is making this because we are not entertaining him anymore.
Bureau Report, Prudent.